Alright, hey there friends, welcome to another 4Runner tutorial video. Today we're going to be replacing the high beam bulb on a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. This process is going to be very similar for 2003 through 2009 4Runners. And basically the only part you really need is your replacement bulb. Now I'm going to get a little closer to the camera so you can see this here. This is what I'm going to be using, the brand, and make sure you have the model number or the number correct, the 9005, the basic. Again, this is the high beam. I've got this for about 12 bucks at our local auto parts store, but you can actually pick it up for fairly cheap on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description box below. So yeah, let's go ahead and get started by popping the trunk. Okay, with our hood popped, we're going to be able to get behind this light enclosure now. Again, what we're going after is the high beam that's on the left side. This is the low beam that's on the right side. If this is the bulb you're looking to replace, I'll actually put a link in the description box below for another video I made on that one. Process is going to be very similar though. So again, we're going after our high beam. This is going to be the one on that side, and what we're looking at here, you have your battery, which is kind of in the way, but honestly there's enough space to get your hand in here. So if you really want to make it comfortable, you can remove your battery. Otherwise, what we're going to be going after is that little guy right there. That's the bulb, and it's put in at a slight angle. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is just gripping this guy right here, and we're going to give it a turn about 20 degrees counterclockwise. So I'm going to reach in there now, and I'm going to do that. Again, it's very simple. You just grab it, again, give it that quick little turn, and you'll actually feel it pull right out. Now be careful, again, you don't want to bust this thing, but as you can see, it just pulls right out. Now it's clipped in with this, this little clip here, and that's basically the housing that holds it in place and gives it electricity. So I'm going to use two hands, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to grab this little clip down here, and we're just going to pull the old bulb straight out. And there you go. That's how to remove the bulb. Now again, if you're wanting to replace yours, make sure you grab that new one, and we're just going to reverse the steps. And so what I'm going to do is push this directly back in, again with the bulb facing forward. We're going to push it right back into that housing, and basically make sure it's nice and snug in there. And then we're going to push it back in, and this time we're going to give it a clockwise turn to lock it into place. So it's going to go in straight like this and then turn clockwise, basically 15-20 degrees. Okay, that's basically the process. We've got our bulb back in and looking nice and clean. Man, hopefully that helps out you guys. Again, it's a very, very simple process. Bulbs, fairly cheap. Again, I'll put a link in the description box below so you can grab it on Amazon. Hey, hit that subscribe button. We're actually going to be doing quite a few more light tutorials. Friends, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.